Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, you're interested in converting your your EFI to carburettor. Okay, this is a kit we do. This one here comes with a polished hsr42. This is a Pat McCooney. We can obviously do it with a real one, but you are going to be paying a lot more money. Okay, comes complete with a choke cable mount for the choke. You get your ignition, you get your coils, you get your leads, your software, your plugs, your manual, your manifold with your flanges, etc., and your seals, your fuel filter. You do get fuel pipe as well, which I've forgotten to show on this. These are your bungs for your fuel tank. You also get the fuel tap, which for some reason I haven't put on here, but you get the proper fuel tap with a pingle adapter. Okay, so if you're interested in any great kits like this will basically convert your twin cam from injection to EFI. So basically you're going to take 2 wires to your crank sensor, 3 to the coil, 1 to live, 1 to earth. You've also got 1 for a tacho if you want to run one, and I believe there's another wire perhaps for a shift light or something if you need to. But this is programmable with these different selectors here, and you can also program it with the leads and everything you get in the kit. You get the software, etc., which is a bit beyond me, but they seem to run fine as they are. The other great thing, washable can end inside this Revtec air filter. You can see it's a washable can end. Okay, this particular one has got a 100 cubic inch thing. We either do 100, 125, you know, different options, but this is just the deal we've got at the moment. The Revtec filter is pretty nice, keep them guessing. You can put a 125 on there, but if you're interested in any of these, give us a call. 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. These are very good quality. These are not the usual eBay specials. This is a proper thing. All the holes are drilled, as you can see, not cast like some of the real cheap and nasty HSR copies. And this is also a polished one. The equivalent from McCooney of this would cost you at least, I'd say, 700 bucks or 550, 600 quid. So the kit we do is great value for money. You couldn't even buy the stuff for this normally, but looking about 1050, 1100 quid in England, the States, pretty much the same price in bucks because you get the VAT off. But 1150 delivered normally to the States. If you're interested, give us a call. 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.